guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're in a very strange setup here. You guys probably like, Alex, come on, what are you doing? But let me explain to you what's happening. Halloween is quickly approaching. By the time this video goes up, Halloween will probably be in a couple days. Here's what's happening. I had this vision for Halloween. If you guys don't know who Doja Cat is, then I'm gonna insert a picture right here. She came out with a song recently. Let me play it for you guys so you kind of understand what's going on a little bit.
Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I am not a cat. I don't say meow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. Go moo.
Anyways, that's the song, and if you guys have seen the music video, she was wearing a really cute cow costume. Now, me and my friend Sophia saw this music video and we were just like, that's a cute ass costume. Damn, I need to find myself a cow costume just like that because that would be really cute for Halloween. I was on the hunt for a cow costume for a while. I looked online, I looked on Etsy, on Amazon, and I didn't find anything. The one costume that I did find was sold out. It was also $90, so I was like, that's a little terrifying for me, you know. So what I came to the conclusion is it's just not gonna happen. So a couple days ago, I went to Spirit Halloween, looked through all the spooky things, and lo and behold, what did I come across? Let me show you. This bad boy. This is a holy cow costume, and it was on sale. So I was like, wait, is this a sign? Should I DIY this holy cow costume into that two-piece that Doja Cat was wearing? I think yes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I decided to film it because, you know, we're in that Halloween spirit. If this does fail, I kind of just want that to be really fun for the both of us because you guys will get to watch me fail and I'll get to look back at this and cry a little bit. So that's fun. This is what we're working with, and we're going to attempt to turn this into a cute two-piece. I watched a couple of videos on how to turn a dress into a two-piece and they were all really pointless and didn't help me at all. So I'm on my own here, just like how I'm on my own in life. So first, I think I need to like measure off where I want the cuts and everything to be. So, so let's measure it to my body. I don't have a ruler. I should get a ruler. So I didn't find a ruler, but I found this encyclopedia that I think will kind of have the same effect as a ruler anyways. I'll play some inspirational music as I do this. I did it. So we're gonna leave the skirt for the second part, I guess. Got the top part. We're gonna have to somehow cut it into like a front tie shirt. I'm gonna kind of like cut down and then out and then use like the, wait. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna cut down and then straight, wait, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna pause while I think this through because thinking, not even interesting. Okay, I'm back. I actually watched a video on how to change a regular shirt into a tie-up shirt, and I think I know what I'm doing now. I'll link this girl's video down below because it was very helpful to me. Now we're gonna cut. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, let me put music on. We gotta get hyped up.
Scary and sporty. Tell her what I want. What I really want is a Spice Girl. Scary and sporty. Tell her what I want. What I really want is a Spice Girl. Freaking little mama.
So I just cut out the, you know, center V part. I'm just gonna try it on over the shirt. Ooh, okay, so the boobs might be kind of out. Okay, so this is how it looks now, and I kind of want to crop it a little bit, but I think I don't... What am I doing? I think think I don't need to be honest. I'm just gonna leave it like this and then use this thing and like hem the edges just so that they have a good look to the edge. So it's time to plug in my bad boy right here. Okay, so she's sizzling. I think that's a good sign. So I got the top. I figured it all out. Looks kind of good, huh? I just tied like the 2 flaps here. I might actually cut it a little bit more because it's a little bit long, but I'm pretty content. And now we have to work with the skirt. Honestly, I'm thinking just cutting down the seam, just tightening it to like the shape of my body, and then using this to like glue it back together because it is pretty big. I'm just really going for it, I guess. Now we've got one big piece. I'm going to bless me. I'm gonna tape measure a couple points around my waist so that I can measure it onto here and see how much I have to cut. Now we have to put the elastic, which is the size of my waist. I'm gonna do 1 strip of this underneath the elastic to stick the elastic onto the actual fabric, and then also another piece just so I can fold this on top. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do that right now. So let's go. So as you can tell from the lighting change, also my cat's crying because she wants to come in here, but I don't want her to get burnt. So I'm just being a good mother. A lot of time has passed. I still can't get this freaking skirt to fit correctly. So I have like the size all good, and that looks like really cute, right? I put the like glue part on the outside, so there's this flap that's just sticking out. So I'm gonna have to sew it, which don't really know how to sew too well. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be the reason why. I don't want to be. Okay, fuck you. I hate this. I hate this. I think I have to stop, guys. Mentally, can't do this anymore. Okay guys, so I did it. I did it. After I cut that last clip, I literally ripped the skirt apart and tried it again. Video. So happy Halloween, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up because I put in a little bit too much work into this. Okay, bye guys. I need to do like 7 hours of work now. Okay, bye.